Durlon, our trademark brand of sealing products, are proven safe, reliable, and versatile. Durlon products provide cost savings and process safety improvements in a wide range of demanding applications, such as oil and gas, chemical processing, pulp and paper, mining, power generation, water and wastewater, food and beverage, and pharmaceuticals.
On varying performance on the job, our Durlon gasket materials are manufactured to ISO 9001-2015 quality standards and are subjected to continuous testing and rigid quality control. Our sheet, cut gaskets, and gasket products consist of compressed non-asbestos, PTFE, flexible graphite, high temperature, semi-metallic, metallic, isolation gaskets, and custom gasket fabrication.
Across the globe, original equipment manufacturers and industrial consumers are specifying Durlon gasket material for their needs.
At TFC, we vertically integrate many of our processes so that we can better control our product. Starting with the raw material input, we oversee each manufacturing process to ensure the quality and integrity of our finished goods.